Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cook with Reena. This is the YouTube channel which I have launched during this lockdown, and just due to that, whatever dishes I have prepared, I am teaching in this channel. You will find all the ingredients which are readily available in most of our kitchen, vegetables, masalas, spices, and whatever. So these are very easy to make recipes, at the same time very healthy and very attractively made also. So all your family members will be attracted to have these recipes, dishes. So please subscribe to my channel Cook with Reena and share, like, and please help me to grow, and I'll teach you very delicious healthy recipes. So let's see what's cooking today.
Hi friends, so today I am going to prepare a very famous dal, lentil. This is whole black gram. It's called, see, this is unsoaked one, whole black gram. I had taken near about 3/4 cup, and I had soaked it for 6 hours, so it has become like this. It has fluffed, though it has almost doubled. So whatever quantity you need to cook, you want to cook for your family, you have to you must know that whatever dal you take, and when you soak it, it will going to get almost double, if not fully double, almost double to it. So first we have to cook it, soften it, and then we shall temper it. It is called tadka in India. This is a very famous dal, and in most of the highway food places, dhabas, it is very famous, and in 5-star hotels also, like ITC Moria, there is a restaurant in Bukhara called Bukhara, and this dal Bukhara is almost world famous, and that dal Bukhara is made with this lentil. The specialty of dal Bukhara is it is cooked on slow fire almost for overnight. It is cooked open and in a tandoor, what we have come to know, and it gets the aroma from there only. And if you cook it open in slow fire, it's going to give very good results. But in our domestic kitchen, it is not possible sometimes, so we prefer cooking it first, soften it in pressure cooker. It takes near about 20 minutes at least to soften this dal, and then you have to cook it open to get to combine it with all the masalas and everything, and it gets its color, and it's totally softened, and you will not find any grains like this. The color will also change. So how to start? First, while boiling, we'll put this onion. I have taken one whole onion and few pods of garlic. So we shall, and salt. I have taken 1 tablespoon of salt with this. We shall cook it in pressure cooker to soften this dal. So you have to 2.5 double water and half more, because this will soak all the water, and the water may dry up. Later on you need to put more water to it. So we shall begin with the first stage. I shall put this dal in the pressure cooker first. So you can see I have put everything in the pressure cooker, and lot of water to it, along with salt. I am going to cook it, and it will give few whistles. Afterwards I shall reduce the flame and cook it at least 20 minutes. And if you don't find it cooked even in this pressure cooker, then you may need to add a pinch of cooking soda. And if you don't have pressure cooker and you want to cook it in open pan, then you cook it covered and add more than a pinch of cooking soda. Otherwise it's very difficult to get it cooked without soda on open pan. See, 20 minutes are done and you can see the condition of this dal. It is cooked, softened, but not mixed. The water and dal is separated. Now what we have to do, we have to cook it in open. We won't pressure cook it anymore, but we have to get it mixed. This water and dal will be combined nicely and it will be thickened. So we shall put it again on the fire to cook more. So see, I have added some water to it and giving a stir. So we have to cook it some more time, as I said, so that the water is and this onion and garlic is mixed, and you will find a different texture after that. I'll show you. Dal is cooked a bit, not all, but at this point I shall put some masalas to it. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, some Kashmiri red chili powder, and lots of ginger, grated ginger. See you can check the salt level also at this time, and if needed you add it and put it again to the fire. So you can see this dal is boiled, softened, the color has changed. The texture has changed. It is nicely combined with the water. Now what we'll further mishmash it. These lentils will completely mishmash. Then only you will get the right flavor of this. And you do this while the dal is hot. If it gets cold, then before doing the tadka, you have to heat it again, then get this mishmashed, then you put the tadka. So you cannot see the liquid water. It is all mishmashed. You see, a very thick consistency. Now we shall do the tadka. Tadka means tempering. It will be done with few spices and with ghee. The powdered masalas we have already given while boiling it, so need not add it again. We shall do the tempering with the whole spices now. Pan is hot. We shall add ghee to it. Clarified butter. You have to be really generous for this step. This ghee, this tadka will bring the ultimate flavor, and generally after the tadka this dal is finished, but to give that Bukhara type flavor to this, and that roasted flavor I want to bring with another process that is called dungar, that I'll show you how to do it. Now add this whole red chili. One teaspoon cumin seeds. We have already added onion, garlic and ginger while boiling. So we won't add these things again. Just for the flavor and the color, we shall add some tomatoes. And you know, traditionally tomatoes were not used in this dal, but now since we get tomatoes and it brings nice flavor and color to this dal, so we use it. I have taken 3 tomatoes for this. Okay. And let it get reduced. There was much of water in this tomato, so I'll get this dried up while cooking it. You see the moisture has dried the tomatoes. You can see the ghee has come up. So now we shall put few more spices. Little garam masala and red chili powder to give the color, and some chopped green chili. This is absolutely your choice. If you want some heat, then add this. Otherwise, you can skip adding this green chili. Now I'll add some fresh cream to it. This really brings the creamy texture to the dal and becomes rich. It gives richness to the dal, rather I should say. We don't fry it much. Now it's time to add the dal to this. You can check the salt level at this point of time. So if it is less, you can add more. I have checked it. It is absolutely fine, just right. You can have it with roti, chapati, naan. Wow, it's giving great flavor and very creamy. You can see the texture. It's creamy. So it's done, and we are to take the last step of it, that is bringing the smoky flavor to this dal artificially. I told you this is cooked on tandoor in slow fire, and in charcoal fire. The tandoors had charcoal at the below, and while cooking it absorbs that flavor. But it is in cities we don't get that, so it is done artificially. I'll show you the process for that. Just let it boil. After adding that tadka, you don't need to cook it much. So because this tadka flavor will remain, and immediately you can have it, serve. It is bubbling, so it's time to take it off from fire. See, this is a charcoal piece. We have to burn it on fire. See, it will take some time, and you have to hold it for quite some time. At least 10 minutes it takes to get the fire. Then we shall pour ghee to this, and it will bring that smoke, and that smoke we shall lock in this dal. It's burning. The charcoal is burning. Charcoal, please. It is nicely burnt, we can see. Now what we shall do, I'll put this, keep this in this bowl, small bowl, and pour ghee to it. See how this fire is come. This we shall keep this bowl on this dal, and we shall lock this. This smoke will spread inside the this kadai pan, and I shall cover this so that the smoke doesn't go out of this hole. So you can see that it's all smoky. That smoke flavor will be absorbed by the dal inside. We have to keep it at least till this smoke goes off. We have to keep it like this. So friends, I shall bring back the presentation also. Although I cannot give you the flavor, so you can imagine what is happening inside this dal. So I hope you have liked the whole process, the recipe. Please click on the like button and give your comments. That is very important. And subscribe to my channel for further to get more updates on recipes and what I am going to do next. So see you guys. Bye bye.